Are you a credit repair business owner and want to get in on the latest technology? Want to understand how AI can transform your business?
With decades in credit repair, I've trained over 100,000 students, and I want to help you navigate the complexities of this industry.
And I'll be your guide to integrating cutting-edge AI technology with your credit repair business so you can achieve tangible results.
So right now we're offering 2-on-1 coaching sessions. That means you get both Chris and myself, and they're priced at $197 per hour for both of us. We'll answer your questions and provide tailored advice in areas like go high level, credit repair business training, software, integrations, chatbots, lead generation, course building, and just about any other topic that you want. But just know, this is much more than just a coaching session. It's an opportunity to learn from industry veterans and really supercharge your credit repair business. Experience personalized mentorship from award-winning industry professionals and just elevate your credit repair business to new heights.
Slots are limited and they fill up quickly. Don't miss your chance to harness technology and grow your credit repair business like never before. Book your session today.
We're here for you. Make this your moment. Take it.